Do you ever feel like you're actually battling AI instead of actually working with it? If you don't actually have that feeling yet, I recommend that you go and try to do something from A to Z. And I'm not just talking about a single step, write me a title for a blog post. I'm talking from start to finish. And then you do it 1 time, and then you do it 5 times, and then you do it 15, 20, 30 times. Come back here and let me know how it goes. Still with me? Well, what if I could told you there is actually a way to get what you want out of AI without having to constantly monitor what it's doing? What's up, AI Juicers? Dennis here from AI Juicing. And today I want to talk to you about something that's been driving us insane. Smashing the keyboard insane. Don't get me wrong, AI is an amazing, super powerful tool. But the more time I spend using it, the more it feels like a glorified FAQ. Let's just imagine for a second that AI was one of your employees. This employee would be constantly forgetting what company they're working for, who their audience is, what is the problem they're trying to solve, and you have to remind them every single time. Not only that, it actually makes things up, like forgetting what your brand voice is in marketing materials. Every time they're working, you're there peeking over their shoulder, looking at everything they're typing to make sure they don't mess up. With that amount of micromanagement, you could actually think it wouldn't be worth the hassle. Now I want you to think about something else. When you go to a McDonald's and order your favorite burger, you know what you're gonna get. Or when you walk into a Starbucks and order the perfect coffee for you, you know what you're gonna get. And that's because these big guys have a process, and so should you. Now let's get into it. Introducing AI Juicing. In essence, there's 2 principles. One is a place that allows you to create carefully crafted custom prompts for your business workflow. And the second part is that when was the last time you actually did something that only required 1 single step? I can't remember any. Everything that I want to get done is more than 1 step. You don't actually just build one, you build many so that you can actually get things done from start to finish. And at the beginning, it's a lot like training an employee. You tell them how you want something done, you show them how it's done, and then hopefully they'll do it again for you, freeing up a lot of your time. And as a bonus, you won't have to watch over their shoulder as they're doing it. To clarify it all, let's try to come up with a little use case for this. Let's say you want to start creating YouTube content. You'd think, oh, I'll go to AI, I'll ask it to write a script. Beep. You also have to tell it who your audience is, what's your topic, what's the structure of the script that you want. You want to start with a hook. And not only that, once you have the video, you also need to write a title, a thumbnail, a description, a LinkedIn post, a social media post, a blog post about it. So instead, in AI Juicing, you create that workflow. You start by telling it what's the video topic. Then, in your prompts, you can just say who your company, who your audience is, what's the structure, and then it will go through each prompt one by one, injecting the content from the previous step into the next one, and creating everything for you wrapped up in a nice little file. And there are so many other use cases. You could have a new business idea and you just want to map it out a little bit. Well, you can have a workflow and it will create the SWOT analysis, create an ideal persona, a go-to-market strategy, a business model canvas, a business plan, anything you want, and it'll automatically create it for you. And not only that, we actually have a huge library that's always growing of super amazing prompts. So I highly recommend that you stop wasting time battling and wrestling with AI and managing prompts and try out AI Juicing for yourself and see how much time, frustration, and energy you save from just building it once and then using it forever. I know for us, it's been a huge lifesaver. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestions or something that you want to see, like a workflow or business case, please let us know down in the comments.